Now I show you another advanced feature. This is about importing your own FBX 3D models into a Nightmare Puppeteer to be used as a prop. So if you go to the Nightmare Puppeteer GitHub page, public repo, linked in this video, linked in the manual, linked on the website, linked fucking everywhere, you can find this shit. So scroll down past the mask stuff, and you will see this text here about importing your own prop. So you can read these specifications and limitations and helpful things that the developer put here for you. And you can even download an example prop, an example FBX file. And if you're going to be making your own in your own 3D application, I recommend importing this prop and taking note of its size and orientation. And just very quickly, position, scale, rotation, animation is supported, so you can have animation on your prop. Just no deformation animation, that is not supported. And of course, your textures, materials is all supported. But take note of this shit right here. Okay, and also when you bring them in, you can use them as props with your actors, and you can place them in the level editor. So you click here to download that example. I'm going to go back to Nightmare Puppeteer. I already have that example file on my desktop, so we're going to import it. So to do so, to import your props, your files, go to Other Settings, and then you see we have this prop FBX here. We can go Open File. Okay, I have the file here in this folder, example file import. So if I go load, it loads the file and should give you a thumbnail image of your model. You can see my amazing model, which is just a capsule with some shitty texture on it. Okay. So now when you import these, they will be in both the props. So if you don't know what props are, the props are what is here in the hand. Oh, actually, there it is right there. That is the prop I just imported. So you can use this like any other prop, right? And it is here available. So this could be your prop, and again, it can have position, scale, rotation, animation. So we'll look at it here. There it is. You could be creative and like make it as a head prop. Oh, there it was again. Like you could, you know, use it as a hat, or since you can, you know, shift, hold down, you could use it as a head if you're creative, you know, whatever you want to do. This is how you bring it in. We'll leave that on the head. And I'm gonna go into a scene and just turn my manual things back on. And let's go into the nothingness scene. And then we're going to go find this in the level editor too, so we can place it. So I'm going to go into here. Okay. So now we have our custom prop on the actor's head and in the actor's hand. And then if we go into the world famous lousy level editor. Okay, and tell me if you see it. It should be with the other props, so the props are the first... Oh, there it was. Are the first items. So there it is. So now we have our item. Can scale it up. We have our amazing prop inside of the level editor. So you can do things with it. Whatever you want. Our cool, super awesome prop. Okay, so now there it is. So you can use your imagination as to how to use that and now import your own custom props. But like I said, please pay attention to the public repo. What the fuck happened? Oh, here. Please pay attention to the limitations. So the special one is it only supports FBX 2013 specification and older. So any new FBX will not work. So you have to figure that shit out. My 3D program allows me to export different FBX, so it's fine. Yes, so that is that. If you want to know more, the developer is using the asset trilib 1.x, so you can go here and read about its limitations to know more about this. So yes, So go import your props or not, whatever, I don't care.